What is up, everyone? Brian, don't you say this?
All right, what's going on?
There you go. There you go. Come on, Donald.
What's going on?
It up. All right. So, it's been a few days since we made a video. I've tried to film a couple videos and everything has failed. It has been a bad week. I think we've all been No, it's been a good week, but we've had a lot of misfortunes with videos.
You have.
You had one today too.
Yeah, you're right.
We'll talk about that later on. We want to forget everything happened the last couple of days and just move on with our life. We have a lot of cool stuff happening this weekend. We got the E36 ready for the dyno, so as soon as we have good weather, going to the dyno. And then the Sonda, we're waiting for the weekend to paint it because you guys know our whole situation. So instead, we're gonna have some fun today and do some good old-fashioned submail.
Submail. All right, let's do it.
So if you guys don't know what submail is, essentially we have a PO box in the description. Check it out, and our subscribers send us mail. Sometimes it's useful, sometimes it's funny, sometimes it's just gross.
Sometimes you guys are trying to f us up.
That's a fact.
You can beep that out. I'm just saying. What are you trying to do to me?
And every time we have a blast, and we are so fortunate to have subscribers that take part in this with us. So I'm gonna shut up, and we're gonna start opening packages.
Oh, it's what? No, Jimmy goes first.
First off, we're starting simple, but good. Ooh. See, this is new, and I like this. We asked our subscribers to put a photo of their car in with
Dude, that thing is sick. What
I didn't even look at it yet. Dude, what the heck?
It's like a Willys something, or what is it? International?
Is this
I
even
don't know
from
nothing
America?
about
Okay,
trucks.
let's read this. Hey guys, my name is Alex. I've been watching for the last year. You guys rock. Keep it going and fun. This is just some random stuff. A pic of my Dally and my diesel Cummins Project Jeep J20.
It's a J20.
What
all
the?
right.
How old is that? It doesn't.
It's old.
Those are his
Digler Inc.
Digler Inc. There we go. Dude, let's see. Oh, there you go. He's got a nice truck too. I see you. All right, let's see what we got. So, towels. I don't know if he was using this as like packaging, but I appreciate it. We can't use
That's actually
enough
smart.
of these. Yeah.
Oh, I wish I got that.
Loctite, love it. This, we're always running out of this stuff.
That crap's expensive,
It is
honestly.
expensive.
Let's get real.
And everyone steals mine, so you're
That is
helping the
true.
whole crew out. Okay, we have a cap. What is this to?
S3 cap. I like it.
Oh.
What is?
It's a stash.
Oh, you weld this on?
Yeah.
I see you.
That's a cool piece.
What are we gonna weld this onto?
Dude, we're gonna weld that onto something, man.
People are gonna say our fuel cell, but we already have something happening there. So some more goodies. Exhaust wrap. Love it.
Very good.
What is this?
Suck
My cock, yeah.
This is such a Donald sticker.
That's going on my windshield.
Cool. This is an awesome one. Alex, thank you so much. Love the rides. I hope there's a no when I see Donald trip.
No, I hope there's no.
Oh, there's a no.
Okay, a gift for you. Hi, Jimmy. You're probably not the best vacuum bleeder out there, but I hope it works for you. Keep it up. Great work. Doing things right the first time. Patreon gang. Lewis G.
Ooh, he said it's not the best one, but I like this. This one's nice. It's got the valve in it. Little looks nice to
You could have
me.
used that, Bri, before you made such a mess. Never?
When?
When you did your brakes.
I love it. Fools are the best. Love this. Thank you, buddy.
Hammy, let's go.
Pick a package, dude.
Oh, we to pick them? That's like Christmas. Which one do I want to do first?
All right. Enough with the Christmas talk. Everyone keeps saying that.
We go Hanukkah.
Yeah. What about Hanukkah?
Yeah.
We got to be inclusive.
All right, here we go. We got one from Nick Gomez from California.
What do we got, Trav?
Hang on. Looking for a note.
Oh, see, he knows the deal.
Okay, great. Right in the front. Hey, Jimmy. Here's a shirt for B-Hall.
Yes, thank you. I hope it's the right size.
He's been putting mad work in on the Civic, so I thought he needed one too. Great job, guys. I'm gonna be kind of sad when it's finished, since I enjoy the content so much. Here's some KA slaps too.
Hell yeah.
Also made slaps of my whip. Hashtag purple cup.
Okay.
Check it out on IG. Stay safe, Nick. Hashtag KA all day.
Oh, there we
At
go.
auto_motives.
Let's take a second. Brian got a new hoodie today. Look how.
Yeah.
Okay. When he can we talk about when he opened this?
package.
He
You don't
opened
even want to know, dude.
This dude opened up a brand new hoodie, just dropped it on the dirty ass floor.
That's such a Brian. Get used to its life.
Sick.
Oh, he hit you with the KO. Okay, I got mine in XL. I'm happy he sent one for you.
I know. Did Josh get one or you got one?
I got
Josh got
one.
a sticker.
Yo, can we get one for Josh
More
too?
stickers. Yes.
Guys, I can't stress this enough. If you send t-shirts, please send us a large because Brian needs as many t-shirts as we can get.
Look at that. I like this. Worry is misuse of imagination. That's our quote of the day.
I like that.
This one was right here. I'm grabbing. I think we got Tupperware.
Oh no.
But this is no screw meal prep. Let's put hardware in this for each individual car, and you know
That was
what I
actually
mean?
a really good idea. I was like,
That's probably why they sent it.
It's true. There's no note. We have bags, but bags don't really stack and organize very nicely. Okay, that is awesome. I hope you didn't anticipate us to meal prep because we're not going to. But as far as bolts go, thank you so much because I am the worst at I just throw everything in one bucket. I'm real bad.
You're lucky if you put it in a bucket. It's just not, what?
Okay, I throw it into a corner of the bench, but hey, look. I put them back together.
Jimmy's built like 3 S50s off the bench.
Tear it up. Ah, DJ! Hit the note first. Oh my God.
Oh shit. Okay.
There, no. There, it's right there. Nope, that's a receipt. No. There's no note.
DJ, narrate a note.
Come
for
on.
us.
DJ, pretend you're the kid.
So
Jimmy and the gang.
Jimmy and the gang, I really hope you appreciate this tire pressure meter gauge and some battery chargers.
Check it out. I wonder what we got. Dude, this is awesome. I can't tell you how great jump packs are because every battery in the shop is
Well, this
always
is good.
dead.
Now we could have two. One charging, one in use at all times.
No, it's for tires too.
But it's a dual
Yeah,
thing.
you
Look
can
at
do whatever you want.
this is a multi-kit. This is a around the shop special.
Flashlight, it is.
Whoever sent this, it wasn't on DJ's note. Thank you so much. This is cool.
That is cool.
Gas engine, 3.5 liter diesel. Travis's turn. Don't skip the rotation, Jimmy.
Yeah. Open pass.
Open pass.
And no indication here.
There's probably
Gonna
no.
go right into
yep,
it.
there you go.
Oh, nice guess, DJ.
X-ray
vision. From Poland or something.
I'm gonna guess that's Norway.
Norway.
That thing's seen some
He hit a few things with that.
Hell yeah. That's how you
Couple
know
deer.
it's legit. What does it say on the back?
Oh, here we go.
Norway.
Olbjorn. Norway, let's go! I know my geography.
I would have never.
Is there a note?
No, man, it's just from Olbjorn.
What's the
Dalen from Norway.
16 ...
Oh, this is. Is that
We
like
don't
a Bible
know.
verse?
That's we don't know what that is.
Let us
What's that?
Maybe he's 16 years old and it's Norwegian.
pronounce that.
16
16 what?
16 Olbjorn. Not to be confused with Hafthor Bjornsson, which is the mountain from Game of Thrones.
You really said it.
Get out of here. Okay, well,
Yeah.
I don't know what this thing is seeing.
Dude, he's been.
Did
That's
he flip
what
his
kids,
car with his plate?
No, you like have to go to rally school to get your driver's license in Norway or something. I'm pretty sure.
I can't tell he passed or failed.
That's a pass.
Well, I'm not pronouncing your name, but I love it. The Euro plates are sick. Thank you so much. If you guys have a Miata chassis, check him out. He makes some really, really cool stuff. That's actually really awesome. I'm really impressed.
That's a quality piece
Right?
there. That's quality.
Boys are killing it. Okay.
Dude, it comes with a drill bit.
Really? Hey, look at the hood's up. See?
Oh, yeah.
I didn't just do this. I've been working on this car.
Yeah, we don't open the hoods unless you're going to do something.
So, expect some NB content coming
Put
soon.
that there for now.
You know? Gotta use up all our free time.
She's almost ready, right?
Yeah.
You said?
We had some issues. I'll talk about them later on, but she's almost ready.
Look at those stamps. How many stamps did it take to get here? A lot. It only takes 6 stamps to get from
This
Australia.
thing came a long way. That thing is tough.
Oh!
Oh my god, these things are so good. Hi guys, since you
Nice
got
and short,
oil
TJ.
over your SR alternator, I figured it's time to upgrade and put. What the hell are you doing? I upgraded it and put a 140 amp LS1 alternator I have supplied with. He just tells you what it is. He ruins it. They ruin it. You with one of my CWC LS1 alternator conversion kits, and it also, if you got any RBs, I have sent an RB kit.
No
Also, from Andrew CWC for EU.
Hold on, wait, focus on this right there. Clockworks Customs. First off, lollipops. Love it. Huge fan of lollipops.
Let's move.
Every time I go to the bank, I take like 5.
If you want to show them an example.
Dude, what? Oh wow, he's got full bracket.
Official, bro.
Pulleys and everything? Look at
What?
Packaging, bro.
Dude. We've got some talented subscribers right here.
Oh yeah.
Yo,
Engraved,
I
billet.
appreciate anyone trying to just grind and make some custom parts. This is super cool. So
Especially quality parts like that.
I'm assuming this is the RB one, and then this is the SR one. I could be wrong. I could have that backwards. But both of these are kits to convert the RB or SR20 to an LS1 alternator.
Very cool.
And the reason why people do that is because the SR and the RB uses their very own alternator. They don't share an alternator with any other car. So when you have a bad alternator, because it's 30-something years old, you just can't go to the parts store and get it. And so, of course, people make conversions, like the Quest alternator, or in this case, the LS1, since it's such a common alternator in our location. And this is really, really freaking cool.
Yeah, I can't tell you how many times somebody's hit you up and been like, yo, you got an SR alternator?
Yeah, literally, it's unreal.
Yeah.
You've been through it.
Oh yeah, I switched over to the Quest one.
But dude, check them out. This is beautiful. I'm really impressed with this. Of course, the lollipops are a great touch. And dude, there you go. Clockwork Customs. I'll definitely be using this. This is awesome.
Legit. What do we got? What's up, Jimmy and B Hall? I own a drifting apparel line, Grassroots Apparel, and thought you and Brian would like some shirts. When we're not busy filling orders for the business, we love watching your YouTube channel and enjoy your content. Keep up the good work, and we hope everyone is staying safe and well during these crazy times. P.S. If you would like to post any pics and tag us, we would appreciate the support. Instagram at grassroots_apparel.
Oh, hold it. Wait for it. Wait. Boom. Is there anything on the back?
No.
Clean and simple. I like it. Love it. Let everyone know what you're about. Show them that alternator. No, we love it. We appreciate it.
Oh, got a little
Got us looking
pocket
fresh.
logo.
Gotta love it. It's all
Like
about the
that.
small details.
Nice work, boys. Thank you, guys.
And then a signature color.
Black.
We've got some pretty quality. Jeez. We've got some pretty quality packages so far. Let's keep it rolling. Why not?
Back to Amazon. Hi Jimmy. Sharpies are always in high demand.
Hell yeah.
Hide them if you can. Thank you, B Hall, for answering your DMs. Jarvis.
Nice. Got you.
You can start hanging flags from the steel rafters. Thanks for inspiring me to get my S-word done. I sent the towels and containers as well. Containers
Hold
are...
on. Did he write S word or did you bleep it out yourself?
I bleeped it.
Yeah,
it was
yeah.
written.
Let it bang.
Shit.
Nobody tell Travis's mom, okay?
From Jarvis. Here you go.
What do we got? Oh, there we go, dude.
A 36-pack.
Damn.
You'll
Oh,
never know how many are missing.
did he dabble in? Did he dabble in? Well,
I wouldn't dabble in. I'd be like, damn, Jimmy, you get 32.
damn, that's a lot of Sharpies. All right.
That's cool as
I'm
heck.
going to hide these from
Oh, I
you
think
all.
this is what he said. He used to hang the flags from the rafters.
That's actually a
A
smart
little
idea.
clippy dip deal.
How many of those do you think we
He
need?
Well,
said
they're,
you weren't
they're
getting it done,
magnetic, so you just clip it to the. What the hell are these?
Love that. Thank you, Jarvis.
And I have this sweet jar for later.
No note, no note.
Not yet.
Oh, that looks like a lot of notes.
It's like quite a
Did
few
you
notes.
see that?
He was fingers crossed the whole time. No.
Why is there so many notes?
Oh my god, I'm going to cry.
That's quite
I
a few
think the
notes.
Amazon ran out of the little printer. What happened?
Oh my god. TJ's fear of public reading is just
A gift
hilarious.
for you. Enjoy. From Peter Francis Martin. Okay, there's no
Alright.
note.
You got lucky there, DJ.
Close call.
Dodge the bullet.
Wait, what was his name?
Peter Francis Martin? Yeah, Peter Francis.
You asking
first
me or you
names.
telling me?
Well, you got it like. I
What is
said
that? A sunkadator? What is that?
What
is
the
that?
sunken
it.
data?
Fire. That is really nice.
I've never had a kit. I've only ever bought just each one at a time because I destroy them and then they.
Yes, dude, this
is
is
official.
awesome. Usually what happens is someone gets scared, they don't hold the drill tight enough, and they bend it.
Yeah.
Frog tape.
Whoa.
What is
Frog
that?
tape?
It's like frog tape, I guess.
It's painter's tape.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, dude. We run through that stuff so quick.
Little hockey tape.
And what's this?
For electrical.
Hockey tape.
Oh, it's like Testa tape.
Yeah, what is that? Why is
Oh,
it
it's
in
awesome.
Japanese?
Love that.
Uh-oh.
So pumped on this.
In Amazon.
Give me a razor right. No, it's
We're ruin it.
It's a good guess.
It's not a guess.
saw the top. I thought it was styrofoam.
Wait, what?
Amazon brand, too.
It says it right on the package.
I'm gonna
I could
dirty
just
them. I'm gonna duff them all.
read. No, don't dirty them all.
No, I almost dropped it.
That. Oh wow, there's a lot.
No, that's awesome.
That is sick.
That's really
Because
dope.
we just used a bunch on Nisanda the other day, so
Can't
we
beat
needed to
that.
re-up.
You guys know.
Heck yes.
Dude, what?
It was a note.
There was a note, DJ. I saw that. Put your glasses on. Read that thing.
DJ, give me this.
It's not
Make him read it.
And it's the instructions.
It says,
It says wash,
"Dear Jimmy,
wash in cold water.
wash in cold water before use."
We've got a lot of awesome, useful packages today. I'm really pumped on this. A lot of cool shop supplies, a lot of tools, and just a lot of fun goodies. So today has been a quality sub mail. I think we've all had a blast, and all we can say is thank you guys so much for participating in this. What do you think, B?
Dude, we didn't get tricked today.
We did not get tricked
Honestly,
today.
you guys just hooked us up today, and I can't
100%.
thank you enough for that. Shop supplies never go wasted. We
Never.
love it.
Love it. Yeah, usually we get one,
At least.
at least, something hot and something gross.
I didn't have to eat anything this one. That's dodge a bullet there.
What can we make DJ eat real quick? We had the real quick. Huge thanks to everyone who participated in Submail. This is awesome. We always have a blast doing this, and we're happy to have this opportunity. So if you guys want to be a part of Submail, PO box is always in the description. Send us something funny. Send us something gross so we can make DJ eat. Send us some T-shirts for Brian. Large. So with that, we're gonna end it, and hopefully tomorrow is a very productive day. So you guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. B.
We'll see you on the next one. Peace.